In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Zotero Connector to Chrome. Zotero Connector is a small browser add-on that makes it easy to capture citations, PDFs, and full web pages as you browse. To get started, open Google Chrome. With Chrome open, head to the official Zotero Connector page in the Chrome Web Store. You can find it by searching for Zotero Connector and selecting the listing from Zotero. This ensures you're installing the trusted, up-to-date version. On the listing page, click Add to Chrome. A confirmation box will appear that explains what the extension can do. This is standard for Chrome extensions. Go ahead and click Add Extension to confirm. Chrome will download and install the connector automatically. You'll see a brief notification letting you know the installation is complete. Now let's make sure the connector is always easy to reach. Look in the top right corner of Chrome for the puzzle piece icon labeled Extensions. Click it to open your list of extensions. Find Zotero Connector in the list, then click the pin icon beside it. When the pin turns solid, the Zotero icon is fixed to your toolbar, so it's always just one click away. With the connector installed and pinned, you're ready to save sources as you browse. Visit an article, a journal page, a library catalog, or any website whose content you want to keep. Watch the Zotero icon in your toolbar. It can change appearance slightly depending on the type of content it detects. When you're on the page you want to save, click the Zotero icon. The connector will gather the citation details and, when available, download the PDF or a clean snapshot of the page. It saves this directly to your Zotero library, and you'll see a brief confirmation that the item was saved. A few tips to get the best results. The connector works most reliably when you are on the full item page, such as the article's landing page or a single record view, rather than a general results list. If a site provides a PDF, the connector often captures it automatically. If not, it still saves the citation and a snapshot so you can reference it later. Pinning the icon, as you just did, helps keep it handy so you can save items without interrupting your workflow. That's all there is to it. Open Chrome, go to the official Zotero Connector page, add it, confirm the installation, pin the icon, and then click it whenever you find something worth saving. With this set